it again and again. That is a power. And विश्वास में दुनिया कायम है और विश्वास में सब कुछ होता है और मैं आई बिलीव लाइक दैट today what you are is your thinking, is your believing. What you believe that make you the present life, and what we are doing now will determine the future, and this is very important. And yoga, and many times we do wrong regarding yoga. Many times we say that it's a religion, or it is just exercise, or it is just moral ideology, or it's moral puts. This is wrong. It is one-sided, one part of yoga, but not all. We know very well that is our Indian tradition, our cultures that has been coming down since 5,000 years ago. Our rishis, monishis, when we were the beginning, from the beginning of the world, you can say, because in the ancient period also, people prayed to trees or they sit under trees or whatever they did like that, and that tradition coming down till today.